Hi, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Today we're going to have a look at the Microsoft Lumia 640, and today we're going to have a look at sound and vision. So in these videos I look at the music and I look at the video. So music to test out the speaker systems on these great devices, and the video to look at the screen and also the speaker at the same time. So jumping into music here, of course it uses Microsoft Music, and what we're going to do is just go back here, going to go to top songs. And I like this one, See You Again. This is the theme tune to Fast and Furious 7. If you haven't seen it yet, it's a great film. Make sure you go and see it. Okay.
We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another band. I know we love it.
So as you saw there, the speaker is on the back. It's very small, which is a shame. It still provides a lot of power, so make sure you do not cover this up. Of course, on this device, you do have a 3.5 jack as well. So some great tunes there, and they're all available to buy, of course, on either the Microsoft Store here, the Google Android Store, or of course iTunes as well. So going back home, we're going to go down again in our folder here, our multimedia folder. Going to jump into video. So I picked this film here to have a look at. This is Night at the Museum, Secret of the Tomb. So I'm going to Ben Stiller. Going to play this here.
Speaking with the Pharaoh, kiss my stop. Oh, is it okay if I don't? Now, you and I both know there's something magical when you see the sun goes down, tablet starts to glow, everything comes to life. This year, yes, it looks similar. Dada. No, I'm not your dada. No touch. Stop it. The magic is running out. There's something wrong with tablet. We should all be dead by sunrise. I'm still hyperventilating. I'm in negative. But their greatest adventure, these guys depend on me, has just begun. We have to go to London to figure this out.
Hey, welcome to the British Museum.
Hi.
Must be what could be in a security guard in America. With your gun, with the silencer, with your ninja swords.
That's not even a little bit true. I want you to stay here and make sure nobody comes in or out.
So that looks really good there. It's good to see Robin Williams in the film. Sadly, he has passed away, but it's good to see there. Looking forward to watching that one myself. I might have to watch that this evening. So it's available, of course, on the Microsoft Xbox Store, and of course Google Play services, and of course iTunes. So that was sound and vision. First of all, I thought it was really good. The sound was really good, except for that small little speaker there. It sounded really good through headphones. I have had a listen. It does sound really good through headphones. Volume seems to go really high, and that does please me. The screen itself looks really nice and clear. It is an IPS display, so it can be viewed at multiple different angles as well, and it seems a nice, clear and bright display from Microsoft. Thanks always for watching. Drop a like down on the video, of course. Please subscribe for the latest news, reviews and unboxings, and go and check out our website, all the W's, Tech Talks with an S on the end .uk. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.